Hey everybody, this is Roxy, and I have a swap from YPP, Your Paper Pantry. It was Iris's idea to do the postage stamp work that Marami Small Art does, or did. And Al John, she did a video on it too. A lot of people have done a video on it. But anyways, so here's mine. I'll show mine because I'm going to show how I made mine. I just did little collages of pumpkin stickers from Paper Studio, and then put it on some glossy, shiny backing, so that, and then we perforated them so you can tear them apart and use them in your artwork. So those are mine. This is really cool, almost like a wax paper from clear bags, but it's really fun. I've been making envelopes and cute pockets like this. Here is Linda's. She sewed hers. I was going to, but isn't that cute? This is really a cool stiff paper. Here's hers. Super cute, Linda. Those are really cute. So she's got Halloween and fall. Very cute, Linda. And here is Iris's with a really cute tag. Her handwriting. I do that every time. Wow, they practically use the same backing. Anyways. Oops. Opened it wrong. Here's Iris. Aren't they cute? Look at the fussy cutting. Nice job. I think she must have a square punch. Isn't that cute? I might get one because this is fun. They're really fun little stamps to make. So that's our swap. And don't make fun of my measuring. Whatever you do. Well, you can. I don't care. I am not. So on to how I made mine. Okay, so now we got to put the perforations in. Don't make fun of my measuring. I'm measuredly challenged. I just cannot do it. So, but I did accomplish it. So for our stamps, now I got to put perforation lines in between the stamps. So I thought I would try my little So Easy, which by the way is not easy because cute wonky ones. Shoot, I should have. I hope this one will work. That looks more like a stamp. Oh, I colorized him like a ding dong. So, did I? Did I get rid of them? I think I got rid of the So Easy ones. Did I? Stupid. Yep, they're all the stamps. Oh well. Well, I know what I can do instead. I had a bunch of So Easies. Now they're just all stamps. So, but I can still use the little the little needles. Because I just got to do perforation line. So, I need some fortification though. I make my own creamer. And this, I found some recipes online. And there was one for pumpkin spice. And it was okay till I added caramel. Now it's fabulous. Ouch. Oh, I wish I would have kept some of those sewing things. Must have been in my D-stash phase. But it's funny I got so many of these that I didn't. Anywho. So now, clean this up a little more. Okay, so do I glue? I'm gonna glue, mainly because of the shiny stuff. So that's not right. That's not right. Well, how did I get these all mixed up? Easy, I know. You know what? I think I'm going to try this. I think I will try my tape runner. So, anyways, here's our my little stamps. And you can just tear them off, use them on projects. And I think Aljon has a video, ALJOHN. But, so we thought Iris Schubert, one of my members at Your Paper Pantry, wanted to do this, and it was such a great fun. It's so fun. So when I get their stuff, I will show what they sent in.